McDonald's French Fries Mega Factory. How millions of fries are perfected with cutting-edge technology. Ever wondered what it takes to produce the iconic McDonald's French fries we all love? Behind every crispy golden fry is a fascinating journey of modern technology, precise processes, and meticulous quality control. Welcome to the McDonald's French Fries Mega Factory, where millions of fries are crafted daily to perfection. The star of the show, hamburger patties. Let's talk burgers, specifically the patties that make them great. No amount of sauce or toppings can save a burger with a subpar patty, right? McDonald's takes this seriously, maintaining strict quality standards for their beef suppliers. The process starts with fresh beef, delivered in sealed trucks and used within 36 hours. To get that perfect flavor, experts blend lean and fatty beef. No additives, fillers, or chemicals here. The patties are shaped and frozen in a 24-minute process, allowing the factory to produce a staggering 3 million patties